Hi everyone, my name is Romeo. I'm student from Madagascar, and I chose to study here. Why? Because the first time I came here, then when I talked with the student from here at Madagascar, then I didn't know anything. When I had been studying here more than 2 months, then I began to know everything which I wanted to talk. So before I went to another English course, but I understood the people when they spoke to me. But when I answered them, I didn't know how to talk. Then when I came here to Madagascar, then I see the benefit, I see the advantage, because every teacher here have a lot of experience and have their own method to give you and to get you like a native speaker. So guys, if you want to improve your English, if you want to ameliorate your pronunciation, if you want to speak like a native speaker in terms of rapidity and also strong vocabularies and something like that, join here at Télévision Madagascar. So English is important, as nowadays the everything in life is depends on language. So I mean, English is the key of life. So if you learn English language, there are lots of opportunity you get. Just to give you an example, you will have opportunity, you will have possibility to go abroad. So if you want to pursue your career, then feel free to come here to join our live here at Madagascar. Well, thank you very much. As you may know, I'm a good speaker. I'm not the same as I was before. So I can communicate with foreigner, especially English lover and something like that. If you come here, you must be good in English within a few times. Thank you very much for watching until the end.